Helo, Dyfan Lewis ydw i. Dwi'n llenor o Graicem Park. I'm Dyfan Lewis. I'm a writer from Graicem Park. I write in all sorts of different genres. I've been fortunate enough to have some success with my poetry. I won the crown in the National Eisteddfod in 2021. Currently, my main creative project is Creiriau, which is a collaboration with the artist Dyfan, where improvised music accompanies writers and artists reading their work. We've managed to play at the Eisteddfod and Soon Festival and also raised over £800 for medical aid for Palestina at the start of this year. Ar gyfer y dyfodol, fy ngobaith i yw parhau i wneud gwaith sy'n herio ac yn cysylltu gyda chynulleidfaoedd newydd a gwahanol, a parhau i archwilio themau sy'n ymwneud gyda yr ysbryd dynol hefyd. So my work often is associated with the human spirit and the struggle of everyday life and trying to get through things. So in the future, I hope to extend into that space or that feeling and find new ways of reaching different audiences unexpectedly as well through my work. Something like Creiriau is a great way to engage people that might not necessarily think themselves to be fans of literature or writing, but we've managed to have healthy audiences watching Creiriau. So to carry on with that work in the future, yes. So the first half of the poem concerns our lack of language, really, and linked to that, our lack of imagination when it comes to climate change. I feel like that lack of language can lead to a void that is automatically filled up with terror and anxiousness around climate change. So the imagery in that part is around the worst aspects of, what we can perhaps expect: famine, wildfires, the destruction of the sea. Then the poem takes a change. It presents another image of a shining thing, a shining unnamed thing in an open field that remains unnamed throughout the poem, but is a source of hope because, well, I guess the main thrust of the poem is that there's a belief that we'll get to that unnamed thing in the open field through collaboration, through working together, and perhaps one day be able to name our source of hope. Am nad oes gennym ni'r iaith eto, rhannwn be fedrwn ni, ein pryderon a'n greddfau. Grym y môr i ddinistrio, diwedd cysur, ffrwyth yn methu ar goeden, y tanau'n lledu, dim bwyd. Ond wedyn, hefyd, y cae agored, yr un y down ni ato yn ein hamser gyda'n gilydd, wrth i'r diwrnod ddod at derfyn, y gwenoliaid yno uwchlaw, a rhyw wrthrych yn bwrw cysgod hir, rhywbeth gwych i synnu'n llygaid yng ngolau'r machlud. Pai gadael i'r peth dy drechu, fe ddaw.